You want to know which AI is the best one? That's the wrong question. Hey, I'm Alan Babbitt, and this is AI Made Simple. And here's what we're doing in the next 3 minutes or so. First, I'll show you why the which one is best question keeps you stuck. Then I'll give you the 3 things that actually decide it. And then I'll give you one assignment that's going to take you about 10 minutes or so. And that's it. So if you're ready, let's go. People shop for AI the way they shop for a television. They go hunting for the specs, which one scored higher. So they read a comparison, pick the winner, and 6 weeks later, somebody tells them they picked the wrong one. Here's what nobody says out loud. Underneath, these tools are more alike than different. They all learn from an enormous pile of human writing. They all guess what comes next, one piece at a time. And they are all, right now, good. Chasing the smartest one is a race that changes every month. Here's what I want you to know. The question isn't which one is best. The question is which one fits the job in front of you. And what it comes down to is 3 things, none of which show up on a scoreboard. So here's the shape. 3 things plus 1 that settles it. Reach. That's what it can actually see. Can it open your files, read your email, search the live web? A brilliant assistant locked in a closet isn't much use to you. Temperament. That's how it likes to work. Some are built to think slowly through something long. Some are built to be fast. Neither is better. They're different jobs. Home. That's where you already live. If your whole life already sits in one company's email and documents, the assistant that lives in there wins on convenience alone. And convenience is what you'll actually use on a Tuesday. Proof. That's you testing it. Not a review, not a chart. Your own real work in 2 of them the same day. Now, here's the thing that surprises people. You can hand the exact same job to all 3. And the biggest difference in what comes back won't be the tool. It'll be how well you asked. A lazy question gets you a mediocre answer on every single one of them. Give it a roll, tell it who it's for, say what good looks like, and all 3 get noticeably better. The briefing matters more than the badge. Reach, what it can see. Temperament, how it works. Home, where you already are. And proof, you testing it on something real. 3 things plus the proof, no scoreboard required. All right, so here's your homework. Take 1 real thing off your plate this week, something you'd have to do anyway. Write it up as a proper briefing, and then run that same briefing in 2 of them. Don't judge which one is smarter. Judge which one fit, which answer you could use without fixing it first. And that's your answer, and it's yours, not somebody else's review. Stop shopping for the best one. Start finding the one that fits. Everything I teach lives on isaadvisory.com. Until the next time.